The one question that I get asked lots is, what's your favorite recipe? Well, that's like asking a parent which of their children they love more. I just can't choose a favorite. However, I do have a handful of go-to recipes like the one I'm sharing with you today. We start by placing some chicken breast in a baking pan and topping each piece with a slice of Swiss cheese. On top of that go some sliced mushrooms. Now, for the sauce that makes this dish so moist and flavorful, we combine a can of cream of chicken soup with some white wine and pour it over the mushrooms. Now we sprinkle the top with a generous amount of dry stuffing mix. This is going to give these some real crunch. We drizzle on a little melted butter and into the oven it goes until the chicken is cooked through and the topping is browned. Doesn't this look amazing? One forkful is all it takes to realize just how moist and flavorful it is. To get the recipe for what we call Fancy Fast Chicken, all you have to do is visit our website. That way, you'll have one of my all-time favorite go-to recipes right at your fingertips. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a 2 thumbs up way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.